Listen carefully. If your mornings are weak, your life will stay average. Not because you lack talent, but because you lack control. Every morning you wake up and the first thing you do is reach for your phone, scrolling, reacting, wasting your focus. And then you wonder why your day feels heavy, why your mind feels tired before it even begins. Your life is not falling apart in one day. It's slowly slipping every single morning. The first habit is simple. Wake up at the same time every day. No snooze, no excuses. Because the moment you delay your alarm, you teach your mind that discipline is optional. Control your wake-up time and you start controlling your life. Second, win your first hour. No phone. Instead, move your body. Even 10 push-ups, a short run, a simple stretch. Movement wakes your system. Energy rises. Focus sharpens. You don't need motivation, you need activation. Third, we fuel your body the right way. Most people eat sugar and crash by 10 a.m. Strong people eat for energy, protein, simple food. Because your body's not a trash can, it's a machine. And how you fuel it decides how you perform. Fourth, do the hardest task first. Your willpower is highest in the morning, but most people waste it on easy things. Messages, notifications, busy work. Instead, attack the task you're avoiding, the uncomfortable one, because that's the one that changes your life. Understand this. Discipline is not built in big moments. It's built in small decisions like waking up on time, ignoring your phone, and doing what's hard. Fix your mornings and your life will start fixing itself. So tomorrow morning, don't negotiate, just execute.